Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for joining me today. And if you're new here, my name is RJ, and I thank you for joining me as well. Recently, I took another trip to my local Five Below to check things out, and surprisingly, I found two things of interest. First off, I found these circle canvases, and I saw these and I thought, I haven't seen these before anywhere. But when I saw these, I thought, what a unique shape, especially in doing paint pours. I haven't personally done that myself. I think it's a wonderful craft to do. But most of the time they're square or rectangles. And I saw these and I thought these would just be wonderful done as paint pours. And then you could have a set of two hanging together. I mean, just imagine the possibilities of things you could do with these as far as in the paint pour craft. The shape lends itself to a variety of, if you're doing iron-on vinyl or transfers or things like that. I know some of you are still into the signage, which that's fine. But I thought this is another shape that I think you should be aware of if you're not already. And these are available, and it is a 2-pack, and that is at Five Below. Now, do you recognize these? Do you know what these are? I know some of you do. These are plate holders or plate stands, and what they would be used for would be to display a good piece of china or a decorative plate in your home. I'm going to use this charger to demonstrate, and you would simply just prop it up in there like that. And while these are wonderful, Five Below has an item that I think kind of modernizes the old plate stand. That item is this tabletop easel. Now when I saw this, I thought, oh, that's really cool. It's a tabletop sized artist easel. And it's a very nice easel. As you can see here, it's a nice size, and it lends itself, I think, nicely to just kind of modernizing the plate stand. Let's just put the charger in it like that, and there you go. And I think if that plate is that important to us, it's a piece of art, then why not actually put it on an artist's easel? And while this is just one example of how to use it, let's take a look at ideas that I've come up with. I think this easel lends itself to be used in a variety of ways in displaying all sorts of things. Those were just a few examples I could come up with, but I do believe my favorite one is using it as a magazine stand or magazine rack. I mean, if you get some magazines, I know a lot of people don't get actual magazines in the mail anymore, but for those of us that do, I think it's a really unique way to display such things in your home, and I think that's probably my favorite, one of my favorite uses for it is as a magazine holder. So I hope you enjoyed this tip, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. For more great information on how to style your home, check out these previous episodes shown here. Remember to like, comment, and share on these videos, and to make sure you see the next new episode, hit the subscription button and the notification bell, and you will be good to go. As always, bye for now.